Hello guys, today we are crocheting this cute headband. All the required items will mentioned in the description box below. Kindly check it out. First of all, we will start with making a magic ring. See, this is how we're gonna make a magic ring. Pull the yarn. That's it. This is your magic ring. Now we have to make 3 chains. Okay, this 3 chain will be count as your first double crochet. So in total we have to make 3 double crochet. So first is done, this is second double crochet, and this is the third double crochet. For the first one we have made 3 chains to term it as first double crochet. That's it. Done with double crochets. Now make 2 chains. Now we have to again make 3 double crochet. So now here simply start by making first double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. First done. Second, pull the yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Done with second one as well. Now third double crochet. Okay, the 2 cluster is done. Now again chain 2 and repeat it one more time. Yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again the third double crochet. See, there 3 times we did it. Now again chain 2, we have to make it last time. Again make a combo of 3 double crochets. Done with 3 double crochets. See, this is how it gonna look. Pull the yarn of the magic ring to tighten the square. Now we will make 2 chain, and then we will slip stitch into the third chain, the one which we have made at the starting. Remember that 3 chains. On top of the third chain you have to make a slip stitch. This is how we gonna make a slip stitch. Okay, and now chain 1, and you have to cut the yarn. Pull the center yarn to tighten the loop, and this is how the square will gonna look. Now we will start with the round 2. Take the other yarn, make a slip knot. Okay, and we have to work in the squares. First of all we will tighten the loop. See, this is how it gonna slide on the hook, and we have to work in these chain spaces. This 1 2 3 4, then 4 chain spaces we will work. So first of all make a chain 1. Now chain 2 and chain 3. This 3 chain will be your first double crochet. Now make another 2 double crochet into the same chain space. Second double crochet, and third double crochet. This is the half side of the petal. We will work on the other side. Here we will work the full. So first of all make 1 double crochet, and second double crochet, and third double crochet. Okay, now chain 2, and we have to make another 3 double crochet into the same chain space. Into the same one, first double crochet, and second double crochet, and third double crochet. Okay, this is the full side of the petal. Now again repeat same 3 double crochet and 2 chain, and then again 3 double crochet into the same chain space. See, done with the third double crochet. Now chain 2, and again 3 double crochet into the same space. Repeat the same pattern on the remaining fourth side, which is this chain space. Completed. Now at the beginning we have just completed the half side of the first chain space, so we will complete the full side. Into the into the first one, make for one double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet. See, this is the done. Now two chain and make a slip stitch into the third chain we have crocheted at the beginning of the second round. See, this is the third chain. Here we will make a slip stitch, and now we will make chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn by leaving a little bit of yarn tail. So our first square is ready. You have to make around 6 to 7 squares. In total I have made 7 squares, and this is how they look. I have even all the ends, and now we have to join it, and then we will attach 2 strings to hold the headband. So how we have to hold it? First of all, right side facing each other of the square. Okay, opposite side on the other side, and right side on facing each other. Take a yarn and make a slip knot. Okay. And make sure it is gliding on the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch of the first square where you want to join, and similarly on the other side insert it on the other square. Make a chain 1. Here we have joined it. Now insert the hook into the second and into the second of the other as well, and we will join it by making single crochets. See, this is how I'm gonna join. Insert the hook into the third stitch, same on the third stitch of the other square, pull the yarn and yarn over, glide the yarn through it. This is your single crochet, and you have to join the squares by making single crochets only. If you want, you can join it with slip stitch as well, but I prefer to join it with single crochet. It gives more finishing look to the square. Here the squares are joined. I have used total of 8 stitches to join the square. At the end, chain 1, leave a little bit of yarn tail and cut the yarn. So yeah, this is how it gonna look after joining the 2 squares. Similarly, you have to join all the 7 squares, and here is the front look and here is the back look. I have used the single crochets only to join all the squares. Now we will attach strings at both the end. So to attach the string at both end, first of all take the yarn, make a slip knot, find a center of the square stitch. Suppose if you have 8 stitches, take the third or fourth stitch as you prefer, and find, just mark it as the center of the square. Now take the center and pull the yarn into it and make chain 1. In total I will make 45 chains. You can increase or decrease the number of chains according to the length you want for your strings to be, how long you want it to be. So that's it. You have to do the similar pattern at both end, and your tying strings will be ready. Here one side is done, weave in all the ends and make it on the other side as well. So yeah, both side strings are attached. Here I have made a long 45 chain strings. If you like this tutorial, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.